Have you ever wondered what is the difference between sub-interfaces and switch virtual interfaces? It can be a bit confusing to understand the difference between these two, so hopefully in the short video I'll be able to help you be able to differentiate what these two things are. So sub-interfaces and switch virtual interfaces. Fundamentally, what we need to know is that sub-interfaces are configured on routers, switch virtual interfaces are configured on layer 3 switches. Sub-interfaces, these guys, when we think about routing on a stick, what do we have? Well, we've got a router, a physical interface on that router, which has a trunk connected to it. That trunk connects multiple VLAN traffic. Now, if we've got traffic from different VLANs that want to go over the same trunk into that same physical interface on our router, we need something here to be able to help us do that, because by default that's because just like that it's not going to happen. Multiple VLAN traffic can't just go over that same trunk into that same physical interface. We need sub interfaces. This is the answer to our question here. That is the missing bit in the equation. Sub interfaces, because they act as the logical interfaces. We've only got one physical interface, but by creating multiple logical interfaces, sub interfaces, this type of traffic can be sent down. The multiple VLAN traffic can be sent over that physical over that trunk into that physical interface. Switch virtual interfaces, these are, like I said, configured on a layer 3 switch. They are acting as a virtual interface that performs the routing function inside of the layer 3 switch. Okay, so if we think about a layer 3 switch interfaces, with switch interfaces, we have a virtual interface now that can perform routing functions, and that connects us from our layer 3 switch interface and to our layer 2 VLAN. So multiple SVIs in a switch means that IP traffic can be routed between subnets that reside in our different VLANs. Okay, so they allow that cross subnet communication across different VLANs with multiple switch virtual interfaces. And these are a sample of how we would configure sub interfaces and switch virtual interfaces. So thank you so much for watching this short video, and I hope it helped.